Hello, how are you? Some of my viewers text me how to control a brushless motor using Arduino. So today I am trying to show you how to control a brushless motor using Arduino. So here I use Arduino Uno. I use 2200 mAh 11.1 volt battery, and this is 30 ampere ESC electric speed controller, and this is USB connector, and here I use 2 jumper wire, and this is brushless motor. So first of all, I need to write Arduino code. So I already wrote a Arduino code, so I just connect my Arduino board with my computer and upload this thing. So I just connect with my PC, and right now it's connected. So I upload this thing. So I just go to upload button and click. Okay, so I just waiting for upload this code. Okay, done uploading. So okay, done. So I give this Arduino code in my description box. I give a Google Drive link, and you just go there and download it and upload it in your Arduino board. So now I need to connect all of my electronics. Here is 3 wire. The yellow wire is for signal, so I connect 1 jumper wire with it, and then I use ground pin. This is the ground wire, so I just connect this jumper wire with it, and now I need to connect with Arduino. So I connect this signal pin with this Arduino Uno digital 9 pin, and I connect this ground pin with Arduino ground pin. So now my circuit diagram is done. I connected all of things. Now I connect this brushless motor with ESC. So this is very simple thing, so it's not big deal. Connect my LiPo battery with electric speed controller or ESC. So I think my circuit diagram is done. So now I go to serial monitor. So I just show you, this is serial monitor. So here I use 2 words. One is R, another one is S. R means run, S means stop. So I just hold it and R and enter. So right now my brushless motor is run, and when I click on S, and right now is stop. So this is very simple thing. I just show you one more time. This is R and enter. Now my brushless motor is run, and when I just click S and enter and stop. So I provide all of things in description box. You go there and find out this Arduino code, and you can make it very easily. So thank you so much, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and if you have any opinion, just comment below. I think you enjoy this video. Okay, bye.